Welcome everybody and all the viewers. See, here is a very important problem for integration. This is the integral dx by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. And very interesting problem according to my view. And students, see how can I want to solve this. Actually here we let us assume as a y is equal to tan x, and it will be dy is equal to sec square x, okay, and dx here. So see, so now we can find here dx is equal to, that is dy by this is sec square x, and this is equal to dy by 1 plus this is tan square x, and this is here dy by 1 plus tan square x. This is y square. So in place of dx we have to substitute, that is dy by 1 plus y square. And now see, this is the integral. In place of dx, that is dy by 1 plus y square, and also here 1 plus y to the power 4. See, now this is here dy by 1 plus y square and 1 plus y to the power 4. And again right here, that is integral dy multiply by 2 and left here 1 by 2 here for balancing. So 1 plus y square and 1 plus y to the power 4. So this is 1 by 2. In place of 2 we can write, and the degree of highest power is 4. So 1 plus y to the power 4. And see here, and this is 1 minus y to the power 4 here, and dy, okay, and this is here also 1 plus y square and 1 plus y to the power 4. And see here 1 plus y to the power 4 and dy by 1 plus y square and 1 plus y to the power 4. And this is here half 1 minus y to the power 4 and dy by 1 plus y square, and this is 1 plus y to the power 4, and this is half of, and these two factors are cancelled. So this is here dy by 1 plus y square, and this is at half, and factorize these two factors are cancelled. 1 minus y square, 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square, and 1 plus y square, the numerator and denominator part are cancelled here. So we can write here only 1 plus y square by 1 plus y to the power 4, and this is here dy. So see again, this is here, this is the formula. This is tan inverse. We can write here tan inverse y. And now see half, and dividing by numerator and denominator part by y square, then we get here 1 by y square minus 1, and this is here y square plus 1 by y square and dy, and this is half tan inverse y. Okay, see 1 by 2, take a common minus, then we get a form here like 1 by 1 minus 1 by y square, and this is here we can write this is the derivative of y plus 1 by y. Actually this is d of, we can write y plus 1 by y. This is 1 minus 1 by y square. Okay, so in place of that we can substitute this is into dy actually. So and we have this is the derivative of that, this is y square plus, so 1 by y square. So we can write here as a plus pattern 1 by y whole square minus 2 can be expressed as a root 2 whole square by getting the formula. Okay, so that's why I write this pattern. So this is here tan inverse y and 1 by 2, and this is d of y plus 1 by y, and this is also 1 plus 1 by y, and this is root 2 whole square, and this is half of tan inverse y, and half of this is here 1 by 2 into root 2 ln mod y plus 1 by y minus root 2 by y plus 1 by y plus root 2, okay, plus c. And see, this is her y means tan x. So now put here in place of y as a tan x, this is here tan x. So see 1 by 4 root 2, this is here minus, sorry, ln, this is cot x. First of all, this is tan x, and this is cot x minus root 2 by tan x plus cot x plus root 2 plus c. Okay, again this is tan inverse tan x, this is equal to actually x. So this is your answer. Okay. I think student, you are all will be happy to see this video. Okay, bye everybody.